here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
That's right, and good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with this picture from Lisa. She said Lisa Butler-Foley sent this. It actually was taken by Julia Forsey, but this is up on top of St. Vincent Hospital, looking north towards the airport, and you can see those big old storms going around us. Also, let me show you another picture facing north. This is of the Medicine Crow Middle School. These are a Little League field here, and you're looking out towards the north. Big cloud over there. It looks like that storm was pretty much heading for the Shepherd area. Meanwhile, here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. If we stand here long enough, and I've been watching this, you will see some lightning way off in the distance. We've got a lot of there's some right there. 60 degrees right now. We got some thunder showers moving into the area. Not quite heavy rain here in Billings yet, but we have had a few sprinkles. Winds are out of the north now at about 15 miles per hour. And you'll see here our high temperature 75 degrees. Your normal high 69, a record 94 back in 1980. And as far as precipitation, nothing officially has fallen in the rain gauge bucket up at the airport, but we're probably going to get some before this night is over with. You'll notice we're ahead of normal for the month, way ahead of normal for the year at 709, only need to be at 519. And our current temperatures are basically into the 50s and 60s out in the west. Here across the High Line, still into the 60s. Eastern Montana, mostly 60s here. A little cooler over at Cody and Sheridan, about 63. But these are our reported highs for the day. Look at how hot it got. Look at these 80s over here at Havre, 81 over at Glasgow, a lot of 70s through here. Lewistown, a little bit cooler. Same thing at Butler, Butte. We had some scattered showers there, so they were a little bit cooler because of that. 78 at Missoula today. Now, here's our Doppler radar. You can see the big line of showers just to the west of Billings. Right now, getting a little light rain out of it. This is your next wave of moisture. It's coming up from Wyoming, and this whole thing is going to track this way as the night goes on. That'll probably be your morning rain showers. Now, you'll notice we go into the 3D Doppler and look at these big thunderstorms. Some of these already have some hail as they made their way up over the Pryor Mountains. Billings right there, and we're starting to get some showers moving through. It's just all around us right now. Just a matter of moments before we get any more heavy rain out of it. But you'll notice here, we still have this area in dark green. That is a flood watch for the widespread heavy rain we're going to get. The Clarks Fork of the Yellowstone, that's not at flood stage yet, but it's forecast to go above flood stage on Thursday. Muscle Shoal River at Shawmut and Labina already over flood stage. They're flooding. And out in the west, the same story out there. It's all because this low pressure cell here, all that moisture is coming up from the Gulf of Mexico and wrapping around that low. And that low will kind of move back a little bit tonight. And then eventually it comes right back at us. So the first rain we get comes at us, and then that low takes off and then takes some moisture with it again by 6 p.m. on Wednesday. So that's the second time we get the rain. Then this thing moves off towards Canada. Another batch of moisture follows that, and that'll be the third chance we get some showers out of the same low pressure cell. It's amazing. So here's what we're going to see. How much precip out of it? I think here in the Billings area, a little less than an inch, about 9/10 of an inch, but over 2 inches expected. At Livingston, Bozeman about 1 1/3 inches, and over here at Miles City, about 1/2 inch expected. Cody could see up almost 1.5 inches. Now tonight, our temps will cool back down to the 50s in most cases, maybe a few scattered 40s and scattered rain showers throughout the region. Tomorrow, 60s and 70s here, more rain showers off and on throughout most of the day. Tonight in Billings, midnight 61, heavy rain moving in, heavy rain in the morning, more showers at noon, and again at 6 p.m., 50% chance for storms at 6 p.m. at 68 degrees. Next 7 days, 68 for your high on Wednesday, but 82 on Thursday. The rain starts to die down. Temperature goes up to 86 on Friday. Saturday, 87 degrees. And here comes the rest of your holiday weekend back into the 70s with a chance for late in the day splash and dash showers through Tuesday. It's Memorial Day. Isn't it supposed to rain? Let's go back to the desk.